She did it fair and square.
Granddaughter, you make the world a bright and beautiful place. Hope you have a day that's filled with all of your favorite things. Happy birthday. Love you, Carlisle. Charlie?
Charlie.
Carlisle. Who's Carlisle? Is it Charlie? Charlie.
How'd you get Carlisle on Charlie?
I don't know. I had a dyslexic moment there. Where's your envelope go? Quit finding your envelope!
Half of her envelopes ain't gonna make it.
Huh?
Half of her envelopes aren't gonna make it.
Harry! Harry again!
Harry again.
No, this is Hermione and Ron.
Wow. They must be really nice.
They are really nice, huh, Sissy? Here, Kimmy. Catch those toys, please. Stop ripping them! Look, look! Ah!
You're gonna rip the cards, Sissy.
Look.
What's up, Mom?
That's Kimberly.
It's all bent up. And...
From Jacob.
My big brother was always been there for me.
Yep, that's always been there for you.
Let me help you out of here so you don't keep ripping these stinking envelopes. You're driving me nuts.
Ow! There's nothing funny about this.
I think that is dead. She killed it. She killed it. It's from Princess Sophia.
Sissy, you sat on your hat. This was left over a pretty little hat.
It's not so pretty anymore. Mom, fix it. She's ripping my envelope.
Sissy, you flattened it like a pancake.
And she pulled it out like it's not. Granddaughter, your cool sense of style, your bright, happy smile. I'm reading to you. Give me these. Anyways, your Nana wrote you a card. Your cool sense of style, your bright, happy smile, your on-the-go days, your sweet, special ways, the dreams in your heart, they're all a part. These are all a part of what they.
And this is the senior that's reading.
Wishing you a very happy birthday with love always. Love, Nana. Is it Nana or Nana? Nana or Nana?
She just told you.
Nana? Some people say Nana. Just for a birthday girl. Love, Kimmy. You jerkhead, you!
Kimmy's a jerkhead, stinky.
Tell her thank you.
Thank you.
Say I love you. Oh man, don't call me a jerkhead.
Let's see what you're gonna get called. That was from Destiny.
It's for me. Okay.
She just shakes her head.
At least Kimmy can call something. No, you have cards.
You're not through with cards yet, Sissy.
A compliment. From Doodlebug.
Love you.
Doodlebug. Doodlebug. She did get my message, by the way. I delivered to her.
I'm sure it did.
Huh?
I'm sure it did.
From Edward!
Huh?
Wow! I'm not even reading them anymore.
She's just happy to know
My
who they're from.
mom's fiance?
Yep, your mom is fiance.
Fiance? Mom, you said fiance. It's a fiance. Why is this one mixed shut? Mom. go. Go for it. This is what Mom did.
Ow.
Don't break the card!
Ow!
Did you eat it?
Did you get hungry, sweetheart?
Love mommy and daddy. The face.
She just wants presents now. Seriously, quit picking your butt.
Sorry, do it.
Sorry.
That one first.
Let me get that one.
Which one?
That
The one right in front of you.
The one standing up. Easy with it though.
Be careful.
Gotta be careful with it.
That's the button. What is it?
Help her out.
Rip the hair out. It's a bag!
Oh,
I think she's stuck in the bag.
toy?
Well, it might be. We have to take the bag off.
A toy. It's a doll.
Filling up the doll. What's every girl's dream?
There's nothing but girls here. Sure, there's a lot of hands going up dresses today.
No, I'm not Mama. It's a doll.
What are you gonna name her?
She kissed her.
I'm gonna open my show. I don't know.
Oh, we can save this because we need more bags. As if we don't go shopping enough for that.
I think Mom's goes shopping plenty enough. We have bags.
Yeah, because
Huh?
Aunt Petunia.
Aunt Petunia?
Yep.
Alright, here's Aunt Petunia.
Hello, Aunt Petunia. Put her in the box.
Aunt Petunia.
Yep. Give her the next gift, Kimmy. She's still got a mountain over here. Yeah, be careful.
They're not breakable.
Some of them.
This is not.
Wow.
That's a lot of Reese's, huh?
Chocolate.
Oh, man.
Mmm.
Alright, moving on. Next one, Kimberly. Yeah, I'll give her this.
No, give me the other ones first.
Fine. Sissy, Mommy's being mean.
This one ain't heavy.
Sissy, you guys have been here for like almost an hour now.
Is that another doll? Is that another doll, Mom?
Danielle should be on her way.
No, I don't think that one's gonna be a doll.
Daniel's on her way.
Daniel. It's Danielle.
Daniel's on her way.
Maybe.
She just said, open your present.
Are you kidding me?
It's alright, we love it. Sissy, you might need that scarf back on them booms.
No,
You were about to make Harry really stupid.
no, I don't care.
You don't care? Just let him be stupid, huh?
Tell him he's already stupid.
He's always stupid.
Yeah, he is a boy, huh?
Hey, there's another doll inside.
You think it's another doll inside?
It's a
A doll.
plastic Indian doll, Mom.
Not plastic. She'll break.
It reminds me of
Oh my gosh. Open it. Open the box.
Get there.
Okay, while she opens that box, why don't you open another present?
Open another present.
No, leave her feathers on her. Don't pull her feathers off.
I didn't know those feathers.
She saw it right away. Get out of there.
Yeah, you're running.
She might have a name already.
What?
She might have a name already.
Yeah, D16607.
Smarty pants. She should have a certificate with her, so she should have a.
Does she still think so? She's a thief.
Destiny. You just dropped something off of there. And it sounded like it broke.
No, it didn't.
You dropped her pot.
Doll name.
That sounds
Cheppy.
wrong.
Her name is Cheppy.
Chippy?
Cheppy. D16607.
No.
Dropped her pot.
Pocahontas.
Uncle Ernest.
Yeah, Pocahontas.
Oh, Pocahontas. Uncle Ernest.
Well, you got an Aunt Petunia.
Sister. Sister.
Okay.
Hey, give her another present. She just quit that. Don't you pull nothing else off that doll. Sissy, pull up your dress.
Sorry. No, doll's name is Cheppy. Pocahontas.
Does nobody listen to me?
It's a Pocahontas, Mom.
Yeah, it's Pocahontas, huh?
Oh my gosh. Sissy, stop.
Don't throw that out. That's her certificate. Pick it back out. No!
A box!
You stop that. I'm not showing you now.
Can't get her.
What is it?
Look out, look out.
Here, you want this box?
She just wants Pocahontas. That's all she wants is Pocahontas.
There's like wrapping on
Give her that
her
nice-
hands, and I can't get her rubber band off.
Give her a nice gift, Karen. The gift right there in front of your face?
No, not yet. Not that one. Give her the striped one. I'm not done with this one.
You hope it's another doll? I don't know.
You're gonna be sad. A box.
You did! Who got it for you?
Box.
Who got it? No, who got it for you?
Look, she's free.
Yeah!
Hold on, she's still got feet.
She got pee?
What is that?
Did you get more clothes? You might need to put that on.
Look at it. That is so stinking cute.
She'll help you out.
Thank you.
Sissy,
Hold on.
what else you got in that box?
Stop. Let
Sis,
go.
what else you got in the box? What is it? Sissy.
What is that?
I don't know.
Okay, well, Pocahontas.
Jeans, yes, jeans.
Um,
It does that, doesn't it? At least, I think.
That one. No, not
I
that
don't
one.
think it does.
No, give it to them.
Mom.
Did you break it already,
It does.
Destiny?
Look at you, man.
You only got her upside down on her head.
No, I did.
Don't drop her now.
How come these things are prettier than me?
Because the doll. You almost spilled your cup.
Huh?
You almost spilled your cup. Is it another dolly? Okay, give her to sister. Wonder what her name is. Open the last one. Kimmy, are you that weak?
When you're trying to think of a nice way to insult the dog.
Mom.
How do you open this?
Here's where we crap. I don't know what part it is.
Probably at the bottom. Yeah, that's your certificate.
I want this.
Okay, last one.
Is there more?
That's the only one I don't know
I'm nobody else.
Mom.
I knew my mom fell
I think she's meant to stay in the box, but why does she have a ponytail for an eyeball?
Because you're tipping her all around.
Let's open it.
Don't do that.
It's a ponytail.
No, let Destiny set it up.